That's a piece of fruit to the right.
Oh. Yeah.
Hi.
Jesus! Woohoo! Okay, so I guess we don't need to duct tape that one.
Has your phone been shooting video the whole time?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I love that.
Who wants to hit the coconut?
No.
You can.
He was. That's what Ben was shooting.
Listen to that roar.
Wow! Look at that thing. It's almost better smaller.
Yeah. I think
Did you see how high that
it's like more
plastic was?
concussive.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Holy shit.
Yeah, the percussion was good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ron, I like your scope.
Yeah.
It's hiding.
That is an amazing like concussion.
2 pound that we started with, same distance.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so satisfying.
Wow.
That's so satisfying. That's what she was.
Well, this will be easy one shot.
Jesus fuck.
Where's the coconut?
That was a good shot. You're good at other
Now the other one,
Yeah, I know,
right? Like the bottom third.
Okay.
That's gonna be.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, it's so close.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Low.
Just a
Just
little
barely low.
There you go.
Is that a half?